everybody, and welcome back to Chef Dawg. We've got a fun one for you. This is a fully cooked mini wonton chicken and cilantro meal from Costco. Calorie-wise, there are only 50 calories for 4 pieces. So it's a light, easy, quick meal. Probably have a little bit more calories though, the way I'm gonna cook it. But anyways, these are delicious. I've already tried them out before, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna pan fry them. So you want to put about 10 to 12 of them in, it says. You can do this right out of the bag here, frozen, and they cook for about 5 minutes. So we'll take you over to the pan here in just a second and show you how it's done. Okay, it's been in there a couple minutes. We're going to flip it now. And as you're doing it, you can see the raw side still. Just flip that part over. That's the part that needs to get in there and get cooking. All right, so we've had them in here for actually probably a little over 5 minutes, probably 6 or 7. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down now for a minute, and then try this out. Okay, let them sit there for a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna cut one of these open so you can see it. It's the inside here. We got a mixture of cilantro and some chicken. Looks to me like some onions as well, maybe even a little bit of rice. Chicken, oh, cabbage. So chicken, cabbage, bean thread, a little bit of onion and cilantro. Okay, here we go. Try this out. I love it. Well, go figure, I love something from Costco. Yep, that's very good. You definitely can taste the cilantro in there. And again, I love cilantro. Dip a little soy sauce. Well, for as quickly as this meal was made, I don't know if you'd want to have it for a full-blown meal. I'm going to today. You know, you might want to have it with something else. But you know what? They're about the size of my thumb. So they're not very big, but they really are good. They taste good. And I'm gonna give this, it's hard for me, you know, it seems like I'm giving the same stuff every time, but for as quickly and easy as it was to make, I'm somewhere probably again right around a 7. So I hope you enjoyed. Again, remember to subscribe if you like them, because we sure do. I get the best part, I get to eat it. So thanks for watching Chef Dawg, and can't wait to see you again.